Hello everyone and welcome to this new video of ERPNext. Today I would like to highlight a real world use case where many of the customers request for that requirement, that is document attachment and the instant preview. So let's take a real world example to bring this into the life. So let's say you have a use case. Imagine you are managing a production process, and at the BOM level, there are the drawings attached to it to the atom that needs to be quickly reviewed for the verification. Often, this is very necessary for the approval process to ensure that the specification match the requirement. So, going back and forth between the downloading the attachment and switching windows can waste the valuable time and lead to the mistakes. So that is where the ERPNext instant document preview saves the day. So these are the steps what we need to follow here. So in the BOM, let's say there is already a default field which is with the image. You have to just unhide the same. Then you have to create a new custom field that is image view. And then you have to mention a simple client script which you have to use. And yes, this is then it's done. So this is a client script which you have to do it. And now I will show you on the product. So let's walk through and deep dive into the product itself. So let's say I have a requirement. For example, as I told you, I have a use case where I want to see at the BOM level my test certificate at the same instance level. So what I have done, first of all, I have attached that particular test certificate in a particular atom code. So you can see I have attached a test certificate in the particular atom code. Now I will go to the BOM list here and I just go to the customize form and will show you these two fields which I have there, which are already there. That is the first field, that is image, which is already a which is already a default field, and that is only you have to unhide the same. So you have to just do it would be hidden, so that would be unhide. So these are the default field, and the another field that is image view, which I have created under the type small text. This is a new custom field which I have created. So the image is a default field and the image view is a new custom field which I have created. So you can see small test which I have given here, and here also I have mentioned fetch on empty. So I have added two field, that is one field is already been there, that is the default field of image, and another field that is image view I have added as a custom field. Okay, and that too with the type as a small text. Now what I have done here, I have to just go to the client script here. So you can see here, this is a client script which I have mentioned or applied to the doc type, that is BOM here, and this is a client script, that is you can see here, and definitely I would be sharing you that client script here also. So this is the client script. It's a very simple client script which you have to give here. Now let's see how this works with a BOM document. So what I will do, I will go to the BOM list here. Let's say I will select first that particular atom list where I have given that particular this one, the test certificate. I will go to the BOM and I will add a BOM, and let's say that particular I will select that atom where I have attached the test certificate. So you can see here that image would be already a default field, will be already been attached and will be fetched from the atom master, and you can see the image view will be shown directly in the same line. So you don't have to go and forth again, you have to see the attachment or you have to just download and see it. You can see at the same view or at the same level or at the same line. Okay, so this is how the use case comes from our customer, that we want to see an attachment and that has to be seen at the same line, not we have to go to switch to the another document or again you have to download the same. So this was the real use case where one of the customer has shared his requirement, and based on that we have given him the solution. So that's all. So that is what we need to follow, this simple steps, which again I will go to that particular steps here. So you have to already there would be a default field in the BOM, and if there is no default field and you want to apply to the another doc type, so you can create that image field with the attach image text type. Then you can create a new custom field with this image view. And then yes, a simple client script will be used, which I would be mentioning in this particular PPT. So you can see here, and yeah, and that you have to apply it, and based on that you can check it in the product. So once you define the product, automatically the image would fetch from the atom master, and its state certificate would automatically reflect in the bomb itself. So this is how the what you can say is the real world use case where the customer has given us the requirement here. So this seems that how ERP Next is so much flexible, and it can be just we can do the customization on a fly with the simple client script here. So it shows that how it flexible this ERP Next is. Okay. So to the conclusion, yes, this document attachment and instant view feature in the ERPNext will definitely help you to your operation by saving time and reducing the risk of the errors, and you can quickly verify and approve the attachment without leaving to anything here. So I hope this video would be helpful and informative, and thank you for tuning to this particular video.